I'm David Fudman. I am an adult gastroenterologist. I specialize in inflammatory bowel disease care. IBD drew me in because of, in large part, the longitudinal relationships that we develop with our patients. You know, the fact that my job has multiple aspects is to me, very exciting, right? So I get all the best parts of taking care of patients over time and seeing them from when they first come to us to when hopefully we're getting them to their goals and to our goals for them. There's always something new to learn and to employ in clinic, and it really gives a good sense of hope for both our patients and for us as physicians. I'm really fortunate to have an excellent team here, and I can't imagine trying to deliver the quality and complexity of care that we do without them surrounding us. If I'm talking to a patient with a new diagnosis, I mean, the first thing I want to tell them is that our goal is for you just to be annoyed at me and my team that we're asking you to do blood work or a stool test or a colonoscopy, and you're feeling great, and you say, well, why do I have to do this if I feel great? That's my goal. I want you to be annoyed at me. It's a huge honor to have been selected for the Physician of the Year award, and I hope that it reflects that we're making a difference in the work that we do. It's very flattering that people would think of me, but I'm hoping that they think not just of me, but of my colleagues and the rest of the team as well.
Dr. Fudman kind of goes above and beyond in all of his care. He takes the time to listen to you. He is involved in so many different avenues of your care, whether it's like his impact in the foundation or when I had my colonoscopy saying that I was in remission, like he was excited too. And I think seeing that your doctor is excited for you is really something that was really cool for me to experience.
Dr. Fudman is well known within the IBD community. I know that patients talk to each other and they recommend Dr. Fudman to other IBD patients. So I believe that based on that, a lot of patients want to see him be treated by Dr. Fudman because of his experience.
Dr. Fudman has been an advocate for me for the entire time I've been under his care. In cases where my insurance has pushed back against certain treatment plans that he's advocated for. For example, when I went from a infusion-based treatment to an injectable treatment that I could do at home, he was with me the entire way, made sure that I got the care that I needed, and was willing to go above and beyond I'll say to the point where my insurance that I was on was going to drop UT Southwestern, and I actually chose to go with a different insurance so I could stay with Dr. Fudman for my care.
Dr. Fudman provides an exceptional care for his patients. He's also the driving force and advocate for IBD care both at UT Southwestern and at the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation. He is an excellent mentor for the fellows and trainees, yet he is very humble. Oftentimes I receive a phone call from David asking what to do with this patient, which I do the same with him, and this speaks highly on what character he is as a person and as a physician.
David is truly an expert and a scholar. Many people that I've met in my career, he really studies the evidence that guides our medical decision-making in treating patients. I think that's where his expertise is particularly valuable to his patients and to the community more broadly.
On behalf of the IBD team, we want to thank Dr. Fudman and express our gratitude for his dedication to the IBD clinic and his patients.
I personally couldn't have asked for a better colleague and friend to work alongside in all aspects, both in clinical work, research, and through Crohn's and Colitis Foundation. I'm very pleased for you, Dave, for this well-deserved recognition. Congratulations.
David, I'm incredibly proud of you as your friend, as your colleague, as your boss as well. Congratulations, you really deserve this and make us all proud.
Dr. Fudman, I want to congratulate you on the receipt of this award for Physician of the Year. It's well deserved. I'm personally very grateful for everything you've done for me and the care that you provided and the way that you've advocated for me as a patient of yours. I hope your journey continues and that you continue to push the bounds of excellence.
Dr. Fudman, congratulations on being selected as Physician of the Year. Thank you for all you have done for me and all you will continue to do for me and all the other patients who will be fortunate enough to be treated by you.